Meeting number 1. Can we have a microphone, please? Hi, Julian. Can we use the microphone? Hi.
Hi, Sir Harry.
Okay, please use the microphone. There you go. Hi.
Hi, Sir Harry.
You are very beautiful, no charm. This is your second time?
Yes, in Binibining Tahaw, and this is actually my third time in pageantry.
Third time. And do you think that you will win tonight?
All of us want the crown, but I think maybe.
You know what? Aside from being beautiful, you are also very talented. What's your most favorite song?
For now, it's actually Nikanta Indonesia Pag-singing contest. It's maybe this time by Saraji.
Can you please give me one line of that song? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
She smiled like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried.
Okay na, one line ako.
Sorry.
Thank you kaayo eh. Hindi kay Tino. Hindi ka pasayaw mo naging punk eh. Nakadyaman man ka. Kailan ka mag-change ang bus? Okay. I'm just actually making you feel comfortable so that we can answer your question well. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, for the information of everybody, our candidates will be, they will be picking a number from 1 to 8, and that number entails a specific picture. And they will be given a lot of time to go with their answer. And you're free to use any language that you're most comfortable with. English, Bisaya, Tagalog, as long as you are understood. Are we good? Okay, so please pick a number from number 1 to 8.
Number 3.
Picture number 3, please. Okay, whenever you are ready, you may begin.
So the picture shows obviously reduce, reuse, recycle. So we need this to make our planet Earth parang planet Earth ay hindi na siya for example, for today, init naman kayo sa nagsige na pupuan. So we have to use, reduce, reuse, recycle. That's how they do.
Are we good, Julian?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Binibining 1. Now let's have Binibining 2. Hi, Binibining 2. Kamusta man ka? Mura liban na walay tingog. Asa yung tingog ano? Padunggan na siya. Kaya itong judge ko, isugod mo. Are you okay?
Yes.
Ready na?
I'm ready.
Right, smile daw dito, ready na. Ready na siya. Okay, so all you need to do is to pick a number from 1 to 8, except number 3. What's your pick? Okay, picture number 1, please.
The picture shows a lot of points, but one that struck me most is to build an inclusive environment. Because I believe that if we can build an inclusive environment where we can make them feel valued, there will be much progress we can take together as one. Thank you.
Now let's have Binibining 3. Hi! I knew it that you will be the most Miss Photogenic because you're very beautiful in the picture, even in person. Ngayon ko, photogenic ka para na ako, iba pa kayo sa picture, lagi na sa personal. Sabi ko, para sa akin, ikaw yung photogenic, and maganda ka sa picture, lalo na sa personal. Huwag din siya emotion. Ngayon ko, guwapa ka, naon na siya sa photogenic. Kasi isang kadumog ka, so meron kita di. At least grateful, diba? Ano sa payan? Taas yung gitabi niya, salamat. Ngayon na ka, parihag itong ta. Ano na ka? Charis naman. Okay, now you are allowed to pick a number from 1 to 8, except number 1 and 3. What's your pick? Picture number 4, please.
appreciate that because sila ang pinamagamit ng pagpanagan.
You're crying! You know, it's actually good. Her point is, ang pagpanagan ang nagbuhin nila sa family is actually good. She cried. Na ayaw lang mabuhay. Let's give her a round of applause, please. See, this is actually the very important thing in this platform. Because we can be able to hear stories from the BBs. Because beauty pageant is not really who among the candidates who have the most beautiful answer, but it's all about who among the candidates who's the most beautiful story. Okay, now let's have our BB number 4. Hi. Okay, can you please come on?
Baru kita.
Sound check. Okay. How do you feel tonight? Ano yung feedback? Ano yung nararamdaman? So akong taga-nun. You don't know? So akong taga-nun yung na-feel? Or ganahan ko ano? Kasi kabuhat ano? Alam ka, hindi ka mag-look. Ano yung kumikuan? Anyway, I think you're just actually nervous, but please tell me honestly, are you ready now to answer your question? Yes. Very ready? Okay. So please pick a number from 1 to 8, exact number 1, 3, and 4. What's your pick?
Number 2.
Picture number 2, please.
Good evening, everyone. As we can see in the picture, we can see in the industries that polluted our air. And then we must advise them that we should
Thank you so much, baby. Again, reminder to the rest of babies, pwede rin yung kita mag-Bisaya, okay? If you are not comfortable expressing yourself in English, pwede dyan ka ayaw mag-Bisaya. If di kaya. Now let's have our next baby, number 5. Hi, Hazel.
Right now,
sa una kay bata, makakarog ako na kano. Nagkini siya sa una, naka-remember ko ka ng high school pa ko ato, nagtuturo ko ng science sa Tahaw, Central Elementary School. Diba? Karang kinako baka na ako. Mas waka ka. Okay, now Hazel, are you ready to pick a number and answer your question?
I'm ready.
Very ready. Okay, so pick a number, and the remaining numbers are only 5, 6, 7, and 8. What's your pick?
I will go with 5.
Okay, picture number 5, please.
Yan, kapala po.
Basic.
The picture shows the Camp Labu. This is one of the best tourist spots here in Tahaw. We want to learn how to keep it clear. We want to keep it clean to be beautiful, because more tourists will go or visit here in our tourist, which is the Camp Labo Sandbar. It would also help. It would also help to our municipality in more income in our society. So we will always be as one, as promoting our place, because Pinamungahan, our pride, your destination.
Thank you so much, baby. most confident candidates. One of the most confident candidates. Asa naman diri ang supporters ni Bilibili Sis? Okay, good sa man to nimo sila.